Alright, good morning everybody. Actually, I already recorded this once, but forgot to hit record. So, I'm going to try it again. We shorted Meta today, took some Tesla options long. The guy on the cover is not me today. Shame on you if you didn't see that. Let's go, let's trade. Alright, so first trade today was here on Tesla, and I was watching it as it was coming down towards this $200 level. Watching it as it's making a pretty decent move to the downside. It's been a bit choppy, but overall downtrending today. So I'm watching it here thinking that the $200 level could be a pretty nice area that this thing wants to try and bounce off of. So watching the premiums here as well. I'm looking at the 210 calls here for the end of the week, and I'm watching to see what it does, and I want to wait until it gets down a bit closer to 200 here on the underlying price. So watching it here as it moves down towards 200 and watching the premium price as well here on the 210 calls, and I'm trying to figure out where the spot is that I want to put my order to take my contracts here if we want to try and get this bounce around this 200 area. So I'm watching it here, and I'm just going to go ahead and decide on 480 on the premium. So I put my order out here for 2 contracts at 480. Now it's a matter of can I get filled here to go ahead and start this position. And there's the fill. I'm in 2 contracts here at 480 on these Tesla 210 calls, looking for the bounce off of 200. But unfortunately, it doesn't give me what I thought it was going to do. So it kind of goes sideways. It fails to really bounce up at all. And then it starts with more downwards pressure here, really trying to break 200. So I decided to just try and take the spread here, which is 10 cents at the time. So I put the order out here at 490 to try and sell these. Not really looking for a win here, just trying to close this one out without any damage and make a few dollars to spend on lunch in the meantime. So just waiting to see if I can get a fill here on really any little tick move up should get me filled here at 490 before it makes the move down through 200. There it goes. It fills me. I'm all out there for plus $20, and it actually did end up breaking down pretty strongly through 200 after I think the next candle basically. So out there on Tesla. A little bit later on, it was Meta moving here, and you can see it hitting on the scanner down below me. It's getting into the low teens, but it's going to push up higher than that, and I'm watching the 131 level. So seeing if we can get up through 131 here on Meta, and I will look to take the short. There it's up through 131. I'm in short 100 shares here, 131.05, and I was kind of looking at the 5-minute chart and the daily chart from last week, and I decided I was going to kind of try and work off of the 132-ish level. So the plan here now was this: if we got a nice move up through 131.50-ish, add in, and then the final add up through 132 if it wanted to do a further move than it's already made. But it's already made a pretty good move here. You can see about 5-6 points, something like that, in the matter of the last 10 minutes or so. So looking for a pullback here on Meta at this point. And it does start pulling back pretty much right after we get in. I'm looking for 50 cents here on the move. For my first partial, there it is. It comes down under that 130.50, and I take half off. So down to 50 shares left, and because it's Meta and it's moving, a few points here, we can still make more money with just those 50 shares, and that's what I'm going to try and do. And I'm going to even try and piece that 50 shares out into 25 pieces here. Now I'm going to look for down under 130 on this next 25. So watching it here, can we get under 130? If we see under 130, I'm going to click the button, and there it is. I click the button, get the fill there down at 129.97, and I am down to the last 25 shares remaining. And at this point, I'm just looking for a move down towards 129.50. If we can get that kind of move, I'll be real happy with this trade overall. And pretty much on the next candle, it starts to break down towards the lows that it just made, and then it makes a real nice fast move there. So I go ahead and front run that 129.50 level just a little bit because it made it on that nice fast move, and I'm all out on Meta there for plus $92. So really happy with that trade overall. Went pretty much exactly according to plan. Nice, easy, stress-free one. Those are always going to be the ones that I like to get. So that's it for today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you hit like and subscribe. It's time to go hit the gym again today. I'm making progress, feeling really good about myself and my body overall right now. Still got a ways to go, trying to get as shredded as I can by this time next year, but we're going to hit that super juice and go. Appreciate y'all being here. I'll catch you in the next one.